Hello viewers, this is the folder which we have just downloaded from uCode.ai. I have unzipped the folder and let's open it in VS Code. It is under document, projects, download, and this is the folder. Okay. So we have API, Node.js and MySQL and Web View 3.js. So the folders are actually folder name are explaining what they are, what the content inside them, because this is the backend and which is developed in Node.js and using MySQL database. This is the web using View 3.js version. We have a composer file also because we support Docker. So if you have Docker, you can just run docker.compose and you can build this code. You can run your command from the root for folder root. You can run this command, you build your backend, also front end, and it will run the whole system. But in this video we will show you the manual version. So manually we need some editing. For example, if we are using MongoDB, then the connection string will be here common config, and this there will be connection string and the port information will be stored here. And for relational database, all with the under the source for directory there will be DB file. So this is the local host MySQL database information, and the root, we are using root for local connection, and the database name is HRAP. So local MySQL database. So HRAP, we just create the database. That's all for our end. So we are not using for root user, we are not using any password. So and for View 3, we don't, if we want to change our endpoint information, then we have to go under source and configuration. There is index file. We have to change this API endpoint link, and that's all. So let's build API Node.js and MySQL. So it will be npm I, the shorter version, npm install. For the web version, cd web view 3.js npm I. So our both our front end and npm install has been done for both front end and back end. Let's run the backend. Npm start. It started. Let's run the front end. Npm run dev. So yes, our front end and back end both has been started when you click this link. So yes, our application also started. Okay, we have one more thing actually we have to do. We have to create a default user. We don't have any user, so we have REST client file there. This is the REST client for department, our employee, and the user. So for it will very helpful for you to do further testing and play with your endpoints. And also we have also Docker file. This is the Swagger file. So it will have enhanced documentation for all the endpoints. Okay, first let's start create a user. Okay, this is the user. Okay, maybe one thing we have a problem. Maybe we have to use another user's information, because this is the user which is okay for Java Spring Boot, but for Node.js version, this is the only thing our system we have to use a user tag, that nothing else. So this is the default user information. If you want to do any editing, or you can create you can have your own email or password. Okay, let's check it. Okay, yes, the endpoint is working. This is our user. So now we can log in the system. Login. So we have test uCode.ai and our password is 123456. Okay, so yes, we are entered in the system right now. So this is our user information. This is the basic main user. This is the department list. Let's create a department. IT. Okay, IT has been done. Then okay, we have a problem, typo. Okay, it's good thing we can check all the editing features. Then we have marketing. Okay, so we can also see the details, because this is only single table we don't have. But for the demonstration, we can show you that it's working. Done with department. Now we will add some employee in our employee table. We have already uploaded or added 3 employee. Let's create another. Okay. Okay, something like this. Okay, we choose a date of birth and also department, finance, and also female. We will also add some photo, desktop. So okay, done. So we have uploaded a new employee. We have uploaded his or her photo. So this is the list view where we can have so far. So let's see what other features we can have. We have exclusive search features, like we can do filtering, sort by every field can be filtered by ascending and descending. And then we can also filter by name, like contains so first name contains column, then it will have only one. Start with start with GEN, then we will have start with this one value. If we want to search with end with something like this, A9, also N, okay, ends with A9. So we can see that all the search features is working smoothly. And if you want to search by like for example like department, we want to see something from IT, this one is IT, this one is from marketing, and this one is from finance. So far we can also have sex, male, female. So far what we are getting and all the features we have right now without writing any single line of code, all has been generated by uCode.ai. So it will definitely reduce tons of workload from software engineers. They can concentrate on more creative work and more complex coding. All the clumsy and tedious code will be generated by uCode.ai, and this is our motto, this is our vision and mission. Thank you very much.